What's up guys, my name is Shaib Shazli and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is about the review and the unboxing of the mini tripods. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, this is the mini tripod support. As you can see it in the box, a nice design and a nice structure. It has a nice design around the box. As you can see, it comes in two colors, which is the black and the white, which you can use for your mobile phone, including your camera too. I mostly use it for my, but on the box there's no camera joint on it, so people think you can only use it for your mobile phone, which you can also use for your camera too. Let's go to the unboxing. As you can see, it's a small handy tool, has a nice texture and a nice design. If you rotate table, you can rotate it to any angle you want. As you can see, something good and something small. It fits in your pocket. You can take it with you anywhere you are going to. I love the design, adjustable. You can enlarge it and you can also make it the normal size. It also comes with the phone holder, which is this. You can set it. You can see it stands on the table too. And this is the angle for the camera, and this is the pin for the camera. As you can see, you can adjust it to make it loose or to make it tight. It's very adjustable to any angle you want it. It's a nice design, so I love using it for my camera and my phone also. It has this place where you can increase the stand or decrease it, so you can fit on the table or wherever you are putting it. You can see this is a very good design. You can use it for vlogging. You put your phone stand there. So you put your phone stand there. So you clip in your phone stand. I'm going to teach you how you can put your phone there. As you can see, that's my phone. I'm using the back side. So I'm just going to clip it inside and make sure it stands firm. And that's it. And you can rotate it to any angle. You just have to release the screw. As you can see, it's down, so you can rotate it to any angle which you want to use it. It's a nice handy tool. You can use it as a gimbal tripod too. If you don't have the expensive money for a gimbal tripod, you can also use this as your gimbal tripod. It's very handy. I love it. It helps me a lot. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumb up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.